Today, boys and girls, we're going to be using mental math to multiply multiples of 10. Our learning objective during math workshop today is we'll use mental math strategies to multiply two-digit by two-digit multiples of 10, 2 out of 3 times. So let's review some concepts first. Multiples of 10 are the product of 10 and any other number. So if we look, 10 times 1 equals 10. We know that because anything times 1 is the other number. Then what you are going to look at is 10 times 2 is 20. 10 times 3 is 30. As you can see, it keeps going up by tens. You can also find multiples of 10 by skip counting. Another way you can find multiples of 10, if you remember our last unit, is by multiplying the two first numbers, such as 4 and 3, making 12, and counting the zeros at the end. 1, 2. We bring those zeros over to the product and we get the number 1,200. Let's review some vocabulary today. Factors are the numbers that we multiply together. Remember, they're the numbers in between the x. A product is the answer to the multiplication problem, so anything after the equal sign. Let's watch a video on the smartboard to help us with our multiplication problems.
Hi, Alex. What you doing? I'm just trying to figure out this word problem with mental math. Mental math? That's when you calculate a problem using basic facts and patterns. Yep, that's it. Maybe I can help. What's the problem? A teacher buys 40 packs of pencils. Each pack has 60 pencils. How many pencils did he buy in all? Whoa, that'd be a lot of pencils. I know. How do we figure it out? Well, first we have 40 groups of 60. We can multiply 40 times 60 to find the answer. Okay, got that. Let's find a basic fact that we know. 4 times 6 equals 24? Perfect. Now let's look for patterns. Well, if we multiplied 40 times 6, it would equal 240. There's an extra zero when I change 4 to 40, and we put it in the product. Fabulous. Oh, and then when we multiply 40 times 60, we have another zero in the factors. So we add another zero in the product. Sweet! Our pattern is the number of zeros in the product is the total number of zeros in both factors. Hey, don't be writing in my thought bubble. Sorry, I forgot this was your mental math problem. So in all, there are 2,400 pencils. That class is going to do a lot of writing this year, with that many pencils.
Okay. So watch me, boys and girls. I know that 6 times 7 equals 42. Then I notice I have two zeros, so I have to add 2. This is not correct because I have 6 times 7 equals 42. I have 1 0 over here in the 60. I'm going to add that 0 to the end, 420. 8 times 9, I know, equals 72. So I can put 72 for all of these problems. Then I can look at both factors and add the amount of zeros I see. So I have 1 0 here, so I'm going to add it to the end. Now my product becomes 720. I did 8 times 9, which is 72, and I have 2 zeros in both the factors. I'm going to bring them over and add them to the product, which is 7,200. All right, boys and girls, go ahead, drag the circle over how you're feeling. You've got this, you kind of got this, or you need a lot of help still, and that's okay. Once you've shared how you're feeling, go ahead and try your independent practice problems on page 173 and 174 of your Envision workbook. Don't worry, If you don't want to do it in your workbook, you can do it right here on the Google Classroom slides. If you do want to use your workbook, please take a picture and upload your work.